Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the LED light assembly in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a putty knife, a pair of wire strippers, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new LED light assembly, 2 connectors, and the instruction sheet. There are 3 identical LED lights used in this refrigerator. They are all located in the fresh food section mounted on the side walls. If one or more of the LED lights won't work, replace them with the new ones. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. Alright, so we've got 3 of these LED lights in the fresh food compartment. They're all identical, and we're going to show you how to replace this one. If you notice, there's a little dot here on the side. So this is the side we're going to insert our putty knife. Slide it under, press in, and we're going to remove it. Alright, and I'm going to slide it to the left to free it from these 3 tabs, and we can pull it out. Right now I'm going to push this locking tab and pull apart the plug. Be careful, don't let it in. It's not going to jump, but still. Alright, so next thing would be to compare the plugs of the new LED light and the old harness. And as we can see, it's not going to work. It's a different plug. So we'll have to do what we have in the instructions. We need to splice the wires. And what I will do, I will install the plug from the old LED onto the new LED. Okay, so this is what we got here side by side. That's a new one. This is the old one. So we need to switch the plugs from the old to the new. I'm going to use these wire strippers. I'm going to cut this plug of the new LED light. Now we're going to get closer to the plug. Snap it off. Then we're going to strip the wires . Put it down. Then we do the same thing with the old one. Remember, we don't need the light, we need the plug. So I'm going to go closer to the light. Snap it off. Take away the old one. And strip the wires. Alright, so it's very important. So you will connect the right color wire to the right color wire. So like black to black, red to red. Remember, the polarity is very important. So this is the connectors that's supplied with the new LED. And I'm going to place this one in. And I'm going to place the other black into it. Now I'm going to press down this metal bar. I'm going to use pliers and push it down hard. Make sure it's not coming out. It's still moving a little bit, so I'm going to press it more. Okay, and then we're going to close it. Going to put down this flapper door and lock it. So one side is connected. I'm gonna go to the red side. Press down the bar and the pliers again. Squeeze it down and check the wires, and we're going to close that flapper door. And it's ready for installation. Right now we're going to install this new LED light. I'm going to plug it in. And place the harness inside the opening. Push this connectors aside. And the plug out of the way. And I'm going to insert the LED. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.